How to deploy Laravel project on your render. So if you want to do this, you're going to make sure you push your app to GitHub first, or GitLab, or Bitbucket, and then you can create your own web service. So start up with a different kind of service, go to new service, new web service, and choose web service. So once you're here, you'll have these options, which is the Git provider, a public Git repository, or an existing message. So in our case, we're just going to go ahead with our Git provider, so we can just connect it directly to the three options that we already mentioned. So during configuration, your render will ask for a start code, will ask for a build command, and a start command as well. So you can find it directly over here. And a common Laravel setup is to build dependencies with Composer, which is to optionally build front-end assets if your project uses Vite. So you can start the app with a web server process that binds to render's expected host port, and then renders docs note that web service will deploy from a Git repo, so it will require you to define build and start commands. And since render also offers a Laravel quick start and lets you add environment variables such as these over here, so database credentials in the service advanced settings. So if you want to go ahead and add that, it's all done in your configuration. You can add more environment variables, but in your advanced settings will be where you find the database credentials in the service section. Once you're done with the other details, so you're gonna have to put in a card, but then you can just run your Laravel production tasks during the deploy, such as migrations and cache warmup, and then Laravel's docs recommend using deployment time commands in production for better performance. But that is pretty much the general idea on how you can do this process. It's mainly done on your new web service, so hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.